Guys, reduce hand in eating always fufu, always rice. Guys, they are all good, but you need to reduce hand a bit because some people have forgotten, like, conference. They feel like is maybe students, this meant for student, it doesn't meant for me. Guys, but I tell you, this kind of thing is things that can be greatering your body, especially if you are getting advanced. Don't say this for kids, it's for children, not at all. It's for everybody. When you channel your attention more on this kind of, as in, like, conference like this, refusing to be eating fufu all the time, especially if you are getting advanced. Guys, this gonna better your skin. It will help you to keep looking sweet 16. But just because you are getting advanced, you say this is not meant for me anymore. Guys, I tell you, when you channel your attention more on this kind of stuff, taking them every day, you can take them in the morning, you can take them in the afternoon, you can take them in the evening. Times doesn't tell. So you can take it at any time. Me, I strongly believe that all this, I usually take them at any time. I didn't specify time. Maybe it's only in the morning I can take them. But, generally, people assumed and they have viewed it that this only something you can take in the morning as breakfast. But I usually go ahead, take it in the evening, take it in the afternoon. Whenever I crave for this, I don't usually look at time. I take it at any moment. So go ahead, making this yourself. Guys, this can help your skin to keep growing. And what makes it more healthy is when you add it milk, because I think cornflakes as a made with maize, but when you go ahead adding it milk and not like this, guys, what did you think? Milk can refresh your body, it can help your body grow, it can help your skin to look nice if you don't know. So don't just always be eating fufu. We are not against eating fufu. We didn't say you shouldn't be eating them. But I'm just as in pinpointing on these ones so that if you're not craving or if you've refuses eating them and think this for children, adults can't eat it. Only what adults can eat is only solid food. I tell you where you go wrong, because for you to keep looking sweet 16, guys, you get to be taking all this milk. Focus on milk. Focus on all this kind of food, especially like light food like this. I didn't present vegetable here, but I keep mentioning veggies and fruit. We are getting advanced. This kind of thing you'll be eating and also supporting it with fruits and veggies instead of focusing on as in solid food always. Solid food is good. It can help you to, as in, it can energize you. But some people feel like if they didn't eat solid food, they will not be energized. They feel like it's solid food that gives them energy. But I tell you, before I was once like you. When I channel my attention eating veggies, guys, especially if I eat it in the night and wake up in the morning, guys, I usually feel energized. I'll be active. My body will be flexible. Unlike when I eat fufu to bed. Unlike when I eat fufu before bed, when I get up, I'll be feeling uneasy. I'll be feeling dizzy. Why? Because you didn't give yourself light food before bed. So I tell you that narrative, that your mindset, hoping that it's only when you eat fufu, that's when you will be energized, or that's only when you will have energy. I tell you that vegetables and fruits can energize you. It can even give you more strength. Not only that, it can refresh your body, makes your body to keep looking underage. As in, you'll be always looking sweet 16 when you continue eating them. So what are we making? Without further ado, guys, we are making cornflakes. These come in chocolate color, so you can buy any color of your choice. So I've been taking ordinary colors, but I said, you know what, let me divert to chocolate color. So this chocolate color, why I pick chocolate color is because, chocolate also good because it made with cocoa. So anything that makes with cocoa or empowered with cocoa are very, very good. So guys, that's what we as in finally make today. So if you've never been trying this conference or putting all these things in your agenda, kindly try them. It doesn't meant for some certain kind of people. Everybody can take it, especially as I said, if you are getting advanced, don't be eating solid stuff too much. Go more on these ones. Take milk a lot, take all these things a lot, and thank me later. Guys, I've made my conference. How will you prepare this? Boil your hot water, put your chocolate conference on a plate. Guys, maybe a transparent deep plate. Just make it with, add milk, add water, warm water, make it and take it. If you are not good eating sugar, kindly avoid adding sugar, but if you are good, eat sugar. We are not making a